friends, welcome to Civil Architecture Tutorials. Today's subject is the different types of countertop installation in kitchen in different parts of India. So as we know, the way we are installing the kitchen countertops in South India may not be the same style that they are installing the kitchen countertops in North India or Northeastern or Northwestern part. So we will discuss regarding this today. The first type is the traditional one, like the RCC slab, reinforced cement concrete slab, which is a traditional one which we are all familiar with. Maybe if you have a house which is around 30 to 40 years old, I know that is the only thing that you did in your kitchen, because that was the only available option at that time, some years back. And RCC, what we are doing is that we have to pre-plan it. First we have to pre-plan it, then only we can do that thing, because we need to know where we have to place the hob as well as the sink, because we have to cut it. There should be a cutout for all these things. So for that thing we need to pre-plan. There should be a pre-plan design for this RCC slab kitchen design. We have to go for the shuttering work first, and then put the reinforcement, and then the concrete should be placed there, and after the curing we can use it. But the main advantage is that this RCC slab will pierce into the wall into which this kitchen slab is attached. So there is no problem of leakage will happen in this type of RCC slab, and the strength is very high and is very durable, and it is very less expensive, because you need to pay a amount for only the concreting and the steel work, means the reinforcement work. So when comparing to other type of kitchen cabinet installation, this is comparatively very cheaper and very strength. But the main problem is that the standard height of the kitchen countertop, as you know, is 33 inch. So the slab itself, the RCC slab itself will take around 4 inch, and there will be a skirting in the bottom which will take around 1.5 or 2 inch. Take it as 2 inch, and total will come 6 inch. So 33 inch minus 6 inch means 27 inch will be the area in which you can provide the cabinets, which is not sufficient enough, because the standard, as we know, we have to provide 28 or 29 inch we need to get inside. So that is a small problem when we are going for this RCC slab system. But still it is comparatively cheaper and durable, and strength wise it is very good, and there is no termite attack in such RCC slab kitchen countertops. So the second type is countertop on supports, countertop with supports. Okay, countertop with supports consisting of three types. That countertop which acts on supports. Supports can be of different materials. One, it is of course it is brickwork, and the second is by steel work we can do for the support for the counter work, and the third one is marble. The first, let us talk about the brickwork. You might have seen that brickwork, maybe one layer of brick will act as the support for the slab or the countertop, and this is also a common system that many of the people are following for their kitchen slabs. But the main problem is that it is got strength, but the problem is that it will take lot of space inside the kitchen cabinet, because the support itself will take at least 4 inch. So when there are lot more of supports are coming, then that means the lesser space will be inside it. So, and it is durable, but the thing is that it will take more space, and also to screw holding capacity is also very less. Second thing is that regarding the top with support is the steel structure. Steel structure, it is actually is more familiar in North India and some in Northeast also. But the main thing is that for the support they are using the steel work. So we need the skilled person for that. Only skilled labor can do this work, and steel, because we are using steel, we need to use screw, and there will be gaps in between the screw and the countertops. So that will be a good area for the insects to be accommodated at that particular area. So it is not highly recommendable, and the strength is also very less. And the third one is the best one in this countertop with supports, where the support we are using marble. So this is more familiar in North India, where we are using the supports as marble on three sides. That is, on the face side we are using the marble, and on the both sides as support with the marble, which is a comparatively lesser material when compared to other materials we are using for the kitchen cabinet work. Okay, and the base one, the base floor area will be, they are using the kadapa stone. So, and on top of it, they are using marble or maybe kadapa stone too. And on top of that, we can use either granite or as countertop or quartz, anything that we use, we can use it. So this is comparatively cheaper, is economical, and it is more viable. It also needs good skilled labor to work all these things, because those who are very familiar with the marble work only can do this thing. But it is comparatively less expensive and more durable, and it is waterproof, and no termite will attack on this because we are using marble and kadapa stone. So this is being very popular in North India, and it is we can put all kinds of baskets, pull-outs into it, but there should be a pre-planning. We need to design it. Pre-design should be there so that we can place the hood and the sink in particular positions. That should be done. Pre-design should be there. That's the only thing we need. But this is comparatively less expensive, and the look also is very attractive to see too. So this is regarding the countertop with support. And one small problem with this marble type is that screw fixing may be a difficult problem in this marble type countertops, where the skilled labor is not used. If they don't know to fix the screw in the proper way, it may be a problem for them, but it's not a very big issue. So regarding the third one that we are using, very familiar in Kerala or in South India, we are going for the modular kitchen. The material we are using is wood. So it's very easy to install. We need only one team to install the whole thing. We don't need any specialized, any other people to come in between. The same team will install the whole modular kitchen, which is very familiar here. But the problem is that the whole the cabinet will be full of wood, and on top there they will place a plywood. On top of that plywood, they will be placing quartz or granite or anything, whatever it is. But it is very expensive, and the durability is not that much good when compared to the other things that I already said. Expensive is also is very expensive, and termite attack is one of the possibility that that can happen to this type of kitchen cabinets. And the other thing is that we can take it out at any time, because since it is made up of wood, it can be easily take it off from one area to another area. It is detachable. One major thing about this modular kitchen is that there is a problem, there will be a problem for leakage. Since this is not attached to the wall, there is always a chance for the water to leak through that area. That is the area where the countertop is meeting with the wall. So that is one of the cons of this particular installation. So I think I have covered almost all the types of installation of countertop. Hope you understand this. I will come with a new subject in another video. Till then, goodbye. Please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you very much.